Every self-made millionaire started their journey from somewhere, and these can be attributed to rich habits. In Corley book Change, Your Habits Change Your Life, he explains that daily habits play a significant role in determining one's success or failure in life. He stated that habits have a cause and effect relationship with wealth, poverty, happiness, sadness, stress, relationships, and health. Therefore, anyone can develop rich habits to attain financial success. Here are 8 examples of rich habits of self-made millionaires that anyone can start today. Number 8. They read consistently. The wealthy prioritize education over entertainment. They spend at least 30 minutes daily reading for self-improvement rather than leisure. In fact, the majority of the affluent do not read for entertainment purposes, but rather to gain or retain knowledge. The types of books they typically read include biographies of successful individuals, personal development books, and historical texts. Number 7. They exercise. Majority of wealthy individuals engage in aerobic exercises for 30 minutes or longer every day. Aerobic exercises primarily involve cardio-focused activities such as running, jogging, walking, or cycling. Cardiovascular workouts offer various benefits. They can improve cardiovascular health by strengthening the heart and lungs, boost energy levels, help control weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure, and enhance mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety levels. In particular, cardio-focused exercises promote the growth of brain cells, increase glucose production, and enhance brain function, leading to improved cognitive abilities and better overall brain health. Number 6. They hang out with other successful people. The wealthy actively seek out individuals who exhibit qualities such as goal orientation, optimism, enthusiasm, and a positive mental attitude. They avoiding negative people and influences as they can derail you from pursuing success. Filling your brain with negative and destructive criticism can be particularly detrimental to achieving one's goal. Number 5. They pursue their own goals. Pursuing one's own dreams and goals leads to the most significant long-term happiness and wealth accumulation. Having passion for one's work makes it enjoyable, gives energy and persistence, and helps to focus on overcoming failures, mistakes, and rejection. Passion is a driving force that motivates the wealthy to persevere in their pursuit of success. Number 4. Having enough sleep per night. Successful entrepreneurs and self-made millionaires often emphasize the importance of sleep and rest for their productivity and well-being. They recognize that getting enough sleep helps them think more clearly, make better decisions, and avoid burnout. Research suggests that getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is associated with better health outcomes, including lower risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Many successful entrepreneurs and self-made millionaires also follow a consistent sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Number 3. They have multiple sources of income. Self-made millionaires often have a mindset of abundance, which drives them to seek out and create multiple sources of income. They are not content with relying on a single income source as they recognize the risks and limitations of such an approach. They may diversify their income by investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses, or by developing new skills or products that can generate additional income. They tend to be proactive and opportunistic in identifying and pursuing new income streams rather than waiting for opportunities to come to them. Number 2. They find mentors. Having a mentor is a way to accelerate your wealth accumulation. A mentor is not just someone who has a positive impact on your life, but is also someone who actively contributes to your success by providing guidance on what actions to take and what to avoid. Mentors share their own life experiences, which they gain from their mentors or from personal challenges. Number 1. They never give up. Persistence is a key characteristic of self-made millionaires who refuse to give up on their dreams even in the face of failure. This unwavering persistence is what makes successful people so exceptional and rare. Despite facing obstacles, mistakes, and failures, persistent individuals remain unstoppable and refuse to be deterred. While some may receive encouragement from those closest to them, more often, these individuals encounter resistance from those directly affected by their struggles. Despite this, persistence is crucial for success and can even lead to unexpected and unanticipated opportunities. Therefore, to achieve success in life, one must develop an unyielding commitment to persistence in the face of adversity.